5 tips on how to go raw vegan, because we all know how raw foods make us feel. These live enzymes, these undenatured, high vibrational foods make us feel so incredible. We'll never have a weight issue ever again. All your skin issues have gone. Helps with your mental health, from relieving anxiety, depression, just feeling lost, insecure. You're going to build your confidence. Let go of these heavy, dense, cooked meat, dairy, starches, refined oils. Let them go, because they do not encourage us to thrive. We've got all these parasites, this yeast, fungus, all living in our gut that keeps us sick. So if you want to get rid of the fatigue, if you want to get rid of the sickness, the confusion, the cellulite, the skin issues, you want healthy hair, you want to feel vibrant, never have a weight issue again, then these are the 5 tips that are amazing to help you going raw vegan. Hey, it's Toni here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, do like, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for future videos so that you keep notified. It also supports the channel. So here's my 5 top tips on how to go raw vegan. Now, even if you just want to go high raw, because I know for many years for myself, I did not want to be fully raw. For some reason, I thought it was so difficult and extreme, but now knowing and through natural progression, it just makes sense. If you just want to go high raw, these are really going to help you on this journey. I just want to state before you the amazing tips, stay till the end, because I've got a really extra special bonus one. Number 1, incorporate more raw food. So if you're at a standard diet, or you're already like 50% or 80-90% raw, eating raw foods, then I would just increase more all the time. So just keep increasing. So if you're at a standard diet at the moment, you're eating 3 meals a day, or you're doing some form of intermittent fasting, swap one of your meals, more so your breakfast or your first meal of the day. I practice intermittent fasting, so I eat averagely after 11 a.m. So my first meal is a hydrating meal. I start with fruit. Fruit is life. It's got so many great phytonutrients in there, so good for your body, and to start your day off amazing. Get rid of the cereal, get rid of the heavy, denser foods, and start your day with something delicious and healthy, such as a banana smoothie, a smoothie bowl. You can try lots of different mixtures. I've got lots on my channel for ideas. If you do want to look at the smoothies, the smoothie bowls, start there. Then start to incorporate more and more. So for your lunch would be another fruit smoothie bowl. It could be a juice in the morning, a smoothie or smoothie bowl in the afternoon. Over time, you'll start to increase the raw foods, and then eventually, if you're eating cooked at dinner time, you may want to have a salad with some great salad dressings, which I have already shared on my channel. If you do want some inspiration for some salad, delicious dressings. Number 2, have more hydrating fruits earlier in the day, especially perhaps the start of your day. Something hydrating, such as a juice. Or if you're going to have a smoothie, perhaps choose more of the watermelon, or fruits that are more hydrating, like watermelons, pineapples, oranges. More hydrating, more cleansing, especially when you've fasted overnight, you've not eaten all night, and then the next morning or the next day you choose something hydrating for the body, because our body is made up of water, and you giving that extra hydration is going to love you back. Tip number 3, mono meals. If you can incorporate more mono meals in your diet, your body is going to love you back. Your gut is going to be so thankful, because if you've got some digestive issues, which most people have, most people are backed up, if you want fast bowel transit time, which this is where a lot of our sickness stems from, candida, any skin issues, any ailments that we have, cellulite, is because we are not eliminating. If you are choosing mono meals, which is just one fruit, in particular, the less fruit or less foods that you have on a plate, the better your body is going to feel and the more energized you're going to be. It's not about variety in every meal, it's variety over time. We have been misled down a really dangerous, not a forgiving road of balanced diet, variety in every meal. No, this is what your body does not thrive on, and we can see it in the world. Try it in 30 days, you will notice a huge improvement. So I would start with your first meal as a mono meal. So perhaps a whole watermelon, 6 mangoes. The more mono meals you have, the more you're going to feel absolutely incredible. If you have got candida, then I would suggest all mono meals throughout the day. So choosing just fruits, predominantly for breakfast, for lunch. We do need to shift from that paradigm that we need variety in every meal. It is not true, and it's what's making us sick. Number 4. Raw until dinner if you are just starting out, or fruit until dinner. So depending on where you are in your journey, have as much fruit or raw foods as you can until dinner. I started off 7-8 years ago, raw till dinner time. So I was eating raw all day and then starches on an evening, high carbohydrate diet. That was really helping me transition through now until a raw vegan diet. If you want to be fully raw or high raw, then I would encourage fruits all day and a salad later on as your last meal of the day. And if you want to check out all my sauces and dressings, that's all in the description box below. Number 5, eat in abundance. Do not restrict when you are first starting out on this lifestyle. It is not a restriction diet. Over time, you start to tweak things, you start to think, okay, I don't need as much, especially when the body gets clean, because we are backed up. We've got all these biofilms, this waste, this mucoid plaque that is blocking all the nutrients that we're not really assimilating everything that we are eating. Over time, you start assimilating, you actually feel like you don't need as much, but in the initial stages, especially the transition, and it varies for many people, this can take years, but eventually you get to the point where you don't need as much, but initially you do. Plants are not as dense as heavy foods, meat, dairy, eggs, starches. They're not as dense, so we do need to eat more. But that's a good thing, because it's not starvation diet here. You do not need to starve, and you're going to feel good by eating more and not have that guilt trip, and you'll start to deal with your emotions better. You're not comfort. So if you want to say goodbye to your addictions, then raw foods are for you, because you're going to feel everything without suppressing, without numbing out with these heavy cooked foods. This is going to connect you to your higher self. This is a lifestyle that is absolutely incredible, that really deepens your meditative practice. Become curious of what is out there. This law of attraction, law of vibrations becomes more deeper, much more understanding. You become more loving, more appreciative. It's like a psychedelic experience, but much more long lasting. As an extra bonus, if you want to know more about this lifestyle, you want support, you want community, then I have a membership group just for you. It's an intimate, beautiful group that helps us thrive on this lifestyle of going high or fully raw vegan. And also to work with me, I have live calls every week. This world is not set up to support us. Just look around through the media, all these advertisements of all these packaged processed foods that's classed as healthy, when you realize all of them have got additives. They're just numbers galore. They're just not helping us thrive and keeping us suppressed, keeping us numb. There is so much distractions out there that does not make this lifestyle easy. It's simple, but it's not easy. To help make this an easy process, please reach out if you want more information on this, because we all need community, we all need accountability. And we're looking for support and encouragement on a daily basis, like washing ourselves, like brushing our teeth every day. We need that on our mindset and on this transition to a fully raw or high vegan diet. We need support, and that's where my membership group comes in. If you want more information, check all that out in the description box below, rawliciousyou.com. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe. And I shall see you in the next videos. Be, feel, and stay Rawlicious.